I'm Shona McCarthy, and as you can tell from the way I look, I'm not feeling too well. Um, my throat's been giving me a lot of trouble, and I took a look at my tonsils last night, and they're looking pretty inflamed. So I went out and I bought some Chinese medicine. I'll put you down so I can show you. So I bought this bottle of Chinese cough mixture. You can get it pretty much at any Asian supermarket, and yeah, most herbalists will sell it as well. And it tastes really good. I would eat it for fun. I would eat it as a dessert. But it contains a lot of different herbs and some honey, and it just really helps the throat. And you take 3 tablespoons a day. I'm really tempted to take more, but I don't know if that's gonna hurt me or something. But anyway, it gets my recommendation, thumbs up, because it just works and it tastes fantastic. So yeah, pick it up sometime. See you later.